4 mistakes you may be making during your yoga practice. Number 1. Skipping Shavasana. Do you know that it's during Shavasana, during this final resting pose, when every cell of your body and mind absorb the benefit of your practice, always end with a few minutes of absolute rest. Mistake 2. Locking your joints. This is also called hyperextending your joints, which means pushing your knees or elbows so far that they reach your joints end range of motion. Over time, this damages the ligaments and weakens the bones. Instead, always keep your joints slightly bent. Mistake 3. Forgetting your breath. Often we become so immersed in moving from one asana to the other, we start holding our breaths. But do you know that the real magic in yoga happens when your movements and your breath synchronize? Mistake 4. Pushing yourself too much too quickly. But doing this can cause severe injuries. Always be kind to your body and you'll actually notice your body open up faster.
Join us for the upcoming yoga challenge. Link to join in the comments below.